Hi everybody, Fireleaf here, and that's kind of cool how Fireleaf. Okay, so there was a blizzard going on right now, blizzard of 2016. So the clips I'm about to show you are some snow fun. I just came back inside right now. I'm warming up in front of fire right now because it is freezing out there. So I'm about to show you the first clip. Bye. Okay, so there you can see, that's the snow. Snowing. And even, look what happens when I open up the door. Literally, this is how big the snow is right now. It's crazy, people. So, I have to say, I was getting a little worried. Started to think it wasn't gonna snow. So, wet on my hands. But, this is gonna be a sledding video. Okay, so as you can see, that snow was, they're calling for more. It's about to go up to like a foot. So, maybe even more than a foot. So this is the blizzard, guys. I know sometimes the weathermen, they can sometimes be wrong, but not this time. They're right. So the next clip. Bye. 26.6 degrees. Snow, blah, blah, blah. And yeah. So 26 degrees, guys. White outside. Is there like ice in there? Oh yeah, here's a... Okay, so it's 10:27. And let's go. Okay, so I have two sleds. Got this green one, got the red one. I'm gonna roll with the green one. And see you guys when I get outside. Bye. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. Look, I'm like stuck in here. Oh, this was not a good idea. Okay, guys. We're going sledding. Alright. Oh my goodness. Yeah! Oh! Whoa! Okay. So, I guess you guys are just seeing white right now, but, some snow on my gloves. Yikes, it is freezing out here. Please don't say this damages my tablet. Okay, yikes. It's freezing out here. Yeah, I put my sunglasses on because of the snow and stuff. Okay, guys. Just for the safety of my tablet, I'm not actually gonna bring the tablet outside in these conditions. Yikes! Ow! My fingers are. Ow! Am I getting frostbite or something? I don't know, but yikes! I don't know. So, I thought about building a little snowman, like a teeny tiny little one. So, there's what I have so far. Probably will keep nothing, but my fingers really hurt. I'm going inside. Gonna warm myself up. Okay, guys, so that's it. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. This is Fireleaf, signing off.